to the summer to shine. Stacked it up in the winter season, even when winter freezing. But this summer, still my hustling time. So I'm grinding for plenty reason. Mind of a chicky heathen, I'm still breathing. Kush out my lungs daily. Half a zip for 180. I forward the message. These niggas out here with a foe and a baby, and they dumping with the 40s and Katie. Not me, I'm just summer riding, looking for a hoe in the lady. She say you short, I put some more in your lady. Cause I'm a pro and amazing graces all over the places. You can see it all over their faces. To get free, I'm all over their cases. Let the message be your representation, and leave the stressing for the rest of the nation. Ain't no guessing, we arrested in our neck of the nation. They getting paper from investing in gating. See, we fenced in, and since then, nothing is the same behind bars, so ain't nothing in the brain except hustling the cane. For so long we struggle in the game. I need just a relief picture or bleed flicker from these niggas, my team winners. No dream killers, just dream chasers. For more than that green paper, don't let the scheme take you out of your summer season. Summer is mine, I'm gonna decline your summer trees and summer D's. Niggas is pussy using summer's eve when it's dark and hot like summer evenings. You feel that summer breezing. Just close your eyes, let me take you where it's like vacation in the places they make it fair. It's called freedom, and if you ever make it player, you know that little phrase for granted. Well, don't take it there. I won't rest till we all can make it and stop getting reincarcerated. I got the balls to say it. We ain't living where the bars is vacant. Niggas foul and they all is flagrant. I can smell that bullshit you call a fragrance. I call it hating. Dreaded niggas but won't call them Haitians. I think the law's mistaken. It ain't for order, it's for our limitations. But if you ready, this is my invitation. Yeah, just to have freedom for our generation. This shit is real, ain't gotta authenticate it. They taking motherfuckers under. But this my motherfucking summer. They taking motherfuckers under. But this my motherfucking summer.